You might be asking yourself, hey bro, how come your HPI BLITZ is see-through? What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be doing some buying. I got my mask right here, gonna go into a public area soon. I also got my duffel bag. Take a look at this. There's also another bag inside. That's right, I am planning on filling up 2 bags with RCs by the time this video is over. I just parked my car. I'm walking down to the Staten Island Ferry. This area is the northmost point of Staten Island, New York. There's a lot of questionable areas here. You know, I actually went to high school right behind one of those buildings over here. Of course, car alarms go off whenever you're trying to make a video, you know. Turn a car off, bro, turn it off. It's a Hyundai, pissing me off again. I see right there, a Hyundai. It's always the Hyundai, guys. As I'm walking down to the ferry, it's basically a free ferry, goes from Staten Island to Manhattan. You guys could have a little bit of a look to see what I deal with on a daily basis. There are courts all the way over there. The federal building there. I actually served on a murder trial jury there one time. Unfortunately, I was an alternate, so I don't know what the decision was. But I gotta tell you, being on a murder trial is pretty interesting, you know, when you get to see the defendant right there, right in front of you. There is a police precinct right here. A lot of stuff goes down. It looks like they have painted a mural. I cannot really tell what this says because, yeah, I'm literally right next to it, but these are huge letters, what looks like. Got across the street over there. Right there is the local Staten Island Yankee Stadium, which is like the local minor leagues. That's right, our minor leagues, guys. They're called the Staten Island Yankees. We don't play here in Staten Island, literally, unless that's baseball. Then we're playing the game, you know. Right there's a giant mall. They built a bunch of stores. All of this I'm going to show you guys. There's like an H&M, a bunch of cool stores. All right, calm down. What are you honking for? I'm well within my right. I'm walking on this path, bro. Calm down. There is our local borough hall. This is Shake Shack, the home of overpriced salty burgers. You want to fight me on that? Put it in the comments, guys. The burgers at Shake Shack are expensive and salty. These are just like basically facts. We're walking through this outdoor mall space right now. It's pretty much empty, but I did go here back when they first opened. You know, people don't really like to be recorded for whatever reason. So I try to stay away from the general public here because like they have this fear of being recorded, as if whatever you're doing isn't already, you know, recorded by everywhere else, and as if you're not already in a public space. They didn't make stairs this huge just because they thought this was a good idea. Generally it's because old areas, which is where we are right now, they tend to be built on hills. Now I think that's only because of, like, you know, flood control in the old times. Whenever you used to build, it was in your best interest to kind of build on a hill to reduce the chance of you getting flooded out. You know what I'm saying? Got the Gap over here, Gap factory. These are like their factory outlets, and I gotta tell you, no deals in there. I don't know about you guys, but Gap is so not a 2020 type of store. It's more like a 1999 type of store. You know what I'm saying? We got Old Navy outlet. Once again, don't care. Got overpriced Guess over there. I don't know what the rest of this stuff is. I would say the ratio of people wearing masks to not wearing masks is about 50% right here. This whole time I am literally walking to the ferry. And guys, this is the view that I'm looking at right now. Way across over there on the other side, that is Manhattan. That is the skyline. Pretty nice looking. Photo opportunity right here, you know. Want to take a photo, apply a dumbass filter. You know, everyone's gonna think you're good looking in real life, when in real life you're just pretty much a monster, disastrous individual. But hey, that applies to nobody in the Nitro Gang, of course. Haagen-Dazs major fatty ice cream ripoff over here. Pretty cool mall. I don't know if they designed this to look like scenes from the Star Trek Enterprise or not, but it definitely does look like scenes from the Star Trek Enterprise. Okay, making my way up to the ferry terminal. You guys are gonna see literally what it looks like. So the ferry way over there in the distance, I'm quite sure my HPI Blitz is coming. That's right, your first mention of what I'm getting. Normally I like to talk about what I'm getting in these videos, and I'm gonna get a whole bunch of HPI Blitz parts. So I just happen to have an HPI Blitz that I need some parts for. It's an older discontinued HPI short course truck. I like it, but like parts for them guys, almost, you know, you're gonna pay big bucks. I need a front suspension arm because I literally broke it. I have like a zip tie holding it on right now. And I also need a body because a while ago, some of you guys that have been with me for a while would know, a dog ate my HPI Blitz body. That's right, a pit bull. I was playing around, the pit bull got the body, and the body lost that round, you know what I'm saying? My Blitz is gonna be on that boat right over there, that orange ferry boat. Pretty nice ferry terminal. They really gentrified like the crap out of this area. There's like outdoor restaurant seating here, you know, expensive coffee, Danish places inside. Basically the reason why I have to drive a Prius with half of the body missing paint, because they've gentrified me out of my own area. I know, it's hard to believe, but it's actually occurred. A while ago I was making fun of like the gentrification in Hoboken. Well, now I'm lucky enough to get to do it in my own area, you know? There is the 9/11 memorial. So right over there is like, I've been there a couple times, pretty cool. Those wings you guys see right there in the distance, the wings, that's the 9/11 memorial. All right, Nitro Gang, got my mask on. It's hard to breathe. My glasses are getting fogged up, but hey, it's a public area. I don't want anyone to freak out. You know, you never know when you're gonna run across a Karen or whatever her husband's name is. I'm just kidding, that's a joke. Now, chances are a cop might come up to me because like I have a duffel bag over here. They're pretty much searching anyone they feel like. There's bomb sniffing dogs over here, but all that matters is this duffel bag right here. It's gonna have an HPI Blitz in it sooner or later, you know? Water Edge Cafe. Overpriced, not going there. Let's see. Ferris wheel. Right, so this place is called Ferris wheel. The reason is, years ago, there was a bid to build the world's biggest Ferris wheel in this area of Staten Island, right by the ferry. I don't know what happened, probably a lot of criminal activity with the contractors and such. Oh, yeah, thank you so much. This is a very nice mask, thank you. Yeah, just got a free mask, guys. This might be the best mask I actually own, right? I've been wearing these surgical ones because, you know, that's what it is. Nice mask, cool, man. My first free one, let's see. Comfortable or not? This is the ultimate test. Holy moly. It's actually pretty comfortable. My ears don't feel like they're about to pull off right now. How'd they do this? Man, my face is sweating in this mask. Even more than before. But it's worth it for a Blitz, baby. It's worth it. It's kind of ironic. It's like when you're recording in front of a camera, whether it's this or an iPhone, you kind of feel like an asshole. You kind of feel like you're a badass, you know, and you can do whatever you want. And normally, I'm kind of like a shy dude in public, but when I'm in front of a camera, I say whatever I want. You know, that's just kind of how it is. Ironic, because when the cops are in front of the camera, they hide their true intentions, you know what I'm saying? Or the files get lost one way or another. That doesn't happen to the Nitro Gang. We document everything, guys. Yep, getting eyeballed. You know, in the military, if you eyeball them, they run up to you and yell at like 3 different locations into your ear. Yeah, I did have that happen. They're about to finish loading the ferry. The doors are gonna swing closed. This is the John F. Kennedy ferry boat over there. Right now it's like a rush hour schedule, so I think they're like every thumbs up. That's right. Right now we're running like rush hour. Is it still running rush hour during this time? Yeah. Right, so, you know, New York never sleeps. Pandemic or not, doesn't matter. You gotta go to work sometimes. There's the schedule. They're running literally like every 15 minutes right now, because this is peak travel. Off peak, it's about a half an hour, and at night, I think, yeah, they're still running a half an hour. Years ago, it used to be every hour. So if you were out partying in Manhattan late night, you know, getting drunk, whatever, when you should be repairing your RCs, guys, yeah, you were stuck here in Manhattan for like over an hour, just chilling, you know, in a terminal just like this. Yeah. All right, guys, the pickup is right here. Do you see all of these parts? It's freaking insane. It better fit in both of my duffel bags right over here. Owner's a cool dude, gave me very detailed, interesting history. We're talking so detailed that I even know that this Blitz over here has 2,000 weight diff oil. That's right. How many?
5,000.
Whoa, 5,000 diff oil.
3,000 or 3,000.
That's right, guys. You better remember 3,000 or 5,000 as a quiz later. This is an inner body, I think a protection cover. Yeah, inner body dust cover. You know, when you're trying to kill it out there in the sand dunes, you put this on and then you put the regular body over it, you know? That's honestly, I remember like years ago, the old HPI RS4s had inner bodies, right?
You got a Formula 1 car for your oval track, the smoke dudes.
Oh yeah.
Take that off, take that off. You got a Formula 1 car.
You hear that, guys? I'm gonna smoke you with my Formula 1 car. That's right. The owner said it. That means it's true. We're not kidding. These are very cool, interesting Hoosier drag tires. These are metal beadlocks, guys. I don't think I've ever had metal beadlocks on a 10 scale RC.
No more gluing tires in front.
Oh yeah, we have them in the front too. That is nice. That is cool. So these are normal glue tires, Pro lines, of course. You know, I'm going to use this somewhere. And we got a bunch of new tires here.
There's different one in there to sit it out further.
Oh, I see.
If you want to go for a wider
There's different hubs in this parts bag?
Yes, right there.
Oh yeah, okay, so there's a bunch of hubs and wheel related items, yeah? Cool, okay.
Better be in there.
Yeah.
Or it might be coming back.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's all good, it's all good. We got some new parts over here. Wheel foams.
New dog bones. Wheel cups.
Oh yeah, wheel cups. These HPIs. I don't know what it is, man. Maybe they just have too much power, which you can never have too much power, guys. I'm kidding. Or the metal parts are weak. These diff cups constantly break all the time, you know?
I just think it's too much power.
I like these metal wheel hubs. These are actually pretty useful.
There's used, there's brand new.
Oh, I bought from this brand before.
Yes,
I bought this is
Dollar
Hobbies.
Yeah, these two
on
brand
eBay.
New.
Yeah.
Yep.
I bought sets for like my HPI Savage XS.
They're the only place you can get them for the right price. Everyone else wants 20 bucks a set.
They're like a parts, I guess they strip them, you know, and you buy stuff.
They buy the brushed version and they just strip the crap out of it.
Yeah, so here we have like a parts chassis, right?
You also got brand new front spindles in there.
Oh yeah, brand new front spindles. Those are important.
So you got all new drive.
All these metal parts, guys, they're like a sick ripoff from HPI. That's not even a joke.
And
what I really need
is there's nothing wrong with those fucking tanks in there.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that diff. That is just solid, heavy duty
This is serious diff. We could stick this in an armor, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? 4S armor? I'm just kidding.
It would be able to handle it. It's half the size of an armor diff.
Yeah. Wow, not bad. A lot of parts, guys. I'm happy.
They're used, but they go. You even got a second radio box.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. That's cool. Isn't this what HPI got sued over?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Guys, the owner actually knows what HPI got in trouble for. I kept talking about this in my videos. They designed a radio box that they got sued for copy infringement, right?
And we had been using this for over 10 years along with 3 other companies, Arma and Associated. They all got sued.
It was just a rubber seal. It was just a rubber seal.
Over that.
Yeah, so guys, blame Traxxas. Don't blame me. You know, I may run the Traxxas on my channel, but I don't think...
Traxxas nearly destroyed the hobby.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Traxxas nearly destroyed the hobby, but you know what? We're not going to let them finish it off.
Horizon, who was the other company?
Horizon, there's people that know, but I don't really follow much.
That company suffered too.
A-Main? No, well, they're a seller.
Like Tower Hobby.
Yeah, they're like a Tower Hobbies. That's different.
But Horizon has all these different companies underneath there now.
Right.
They just bought Proline.
Oh man, Proline, yeah.
It's going to go downhill like
what are they going to do?
Downhill.
Are they going to make the worst tires ever now? No, I'm just kidding.
I hope not. The body's going to go paper thin, so stock bodies are thicker. I don't know.
You know what happened to me the other day? I was running an Exceed Mad Storm. It's like a, you know, Exceed, whatever. Okay. And I left the body in the car, and it was like 80-degree day, and the body melted because they're PVC. So a lot of people don't know the PVC bodies compared to these, which are Lexan, you know, these don't melt if you leave them in a car, guys. This is actually a fact. Yeah, I'm literally at home at night. Yeah,
they got to be up to like 500 degrees to melt.
I was at home at night with a heat gun trying to bend my body back. Not kidding, it's still like 85% crooked. Yeah, I wasn't gonna tell anybody, but guys, you gotta know this stuff because I tell you the facts. This is nice. So for my Blitz, I definitely need the shock towers and I need the front suspension arms. So this already is a deal. And I'm gonna build these up. We're gonna put some crazy brushless system in here and we're gonna take them to the track. All right, guys, that's it. We got everything. I'm gonna walk back to my car. Everything fit in this bag right here. Of course, you know, it came prepared. No joke here. Got 2 bodies, HPI Blitz. We're playing some Rihanna out here. some vintage retro music. I think this song came out like back when the Blitz came out. Nike factory store. I don't know if they allow HPIs in there. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this adventure. See you later. I'm wearing protection. I got a helmet, protect myself against a crazy pit bull. He destroyed my HPI Blitz. Look at this. Look at the body. The car's okay because it's an HPI Blitz. But you know that song, I got nobody? I got nobody. Can't sing, that's why I'm not Bandana. I do RC YouTube videos.